Hello students of class 5th C, welcome to your new online classes. This is your maths class starting from chapter 1 review, which means it is a revision of what you have studied in your previous classes. Let's begin with question number 1. Write using Roman numerals. It means you have to write these numbers in Roman numbers. 4 can be written as 1V. 6 can be written as V1. In the same way, rest of the questions will be done by you in your maths copy. Now moving towards question number 2. Fill in less than, more than or equal to. So you have to recognize which number it is, then you have to put the sign. In A part, xv1 means 16 and x1v means 14. So 16 is the largest one, so the sign will be towards xv1. In the B part, L means 50 and C means 100. So the sign will be towards C. In the same way, C and D will be done by you. Question number 3. Write the predecessor of. Predecessor means a number before, which means a number which comes before a particular number. In A part, dash 30,000, which means you have to write the number which comes before 30,000. It means 29,999. Rest of the questions will be your homework and you have to do it by yourself. In question number 4, write the place value of the given digits. It means you have to write the place value of the digits which are circled here. In A part, 25,683. You have to write the place value of the circled digits 2, 6 and 5. So the place value of 2 will be 20,000 and the place value of 6 will be 600 and the place value of 5 will be 5,000 according to the places arranged in that particular digits. Rest of the questions will be done by you in your homework. In question number 5, do these sums. Here A, B and E, these are the simple additions. Question number C and D, these are the simple subtractions. So in addition you have to plus them, in subtraction you have to minus them. In question number F, let me give you a hint. First you have to add these two numbers, then you have to subtract the answer from this number, then the answer will be subtracted from this number, you will get the answer. So what you have to do is you have to write the questions in your copy and then solve them. You can solve them easily. You have done it before also. Question number 6, fill in the missing digits. This question is also in your homework and do by yourself. Question number 7, fill in. A part, 48 multiplied by 0. So any number which is multiplied by 0 becomes 0. In B part, 75 multiplied by 100 becomes 7,500. C and D do by yourself in your copy. Question number 8 are the divisions. You have to divide the first number by the second number. Solve them in a copy and do it by yourself. In question number 9, A part, 5 multiplied by 16 equals to 80. So 80 is a dash of 5 and 16. The answer is multiple because 80 is a multiple of 5 and 16. In B part, 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15 are the dash of 30. So the answer is factors because these are the factors of 30. In C part, 18 and 4 are the factors of 72. So 72 is dashed by 18 and 4. The answer is divisible because 72 is divisible by both 18 and 4. In D part, among 22, 36, 45, 338, 4831 and 11,780, dash and dash are the odd numbers. First you have to understand what are the odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by the table of 2. So find out these numbers and write it by yourself. You have to find among these numbers which are the odd numbers. In E part, among 18, 29, 85, 563, 900 and 32,324, dash, dash and dash are the even numbers. So what are the even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which are completely divisible by the table of 2. So find out these numbers and write it by yourself. In F part, second and third multiples of 18 are dash and dash. So in this question, 18 multiplied by 2 equals to 36, which is the first answer, and 18 multiplied by 3 equals to 54, which is the second answer. In G part, Three factors of 28 other than 1 and 28 are dash, dash and dash. So we have to find out the number through which 28 is completely divisible. So these numbers are 2, 7 and 14. In H part, to make 253 divisible by 5, the smallest number that needs to be added to it is dash. So we have to find out the number that needs to be added to 253 to make it divisible by 5. So to make it divisible by 5, the last digit should be 5. So to make 3 into 5, we have to add the number 2. In I part, among 13, 23, 33 and 63, the prime numbers are dash and dash. So the prime numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and etc. Among 13, 23, 33 and 63, find out the numbers which are prime numbers. In J part, among 34, 37, 39 and 47, the composite numbers are dash and dash. So what are the composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which are divided by itself and with other tables also. So find out the numbers which are composite. Question number 10, multiply. These are the simple multiplications. You have to write the question, then you have to solve them, and you can easily do in your copy. Question number 11, divide. You have to divide the first number by the second number. You can easily do it in your copy and solve them by yourself.